The Renogy 80-watt portable solar panel is designed to offer high efficiency by utilizing premium PERC monocrystalline solar cells that can convert sunlight into energy more effectively than conventional panels. With an IP67 waterproof rating and advanced laminated technology, this solar panel offers superior durability, ensuring it withstands water exposure and extends its lifespan significantly. This solar panel features an adjustable kickstand that enhances sunlight capture by up to 30%, making it a practical choice for off-grid adventures. Its wide compatibility is a standout feature, as it includes a 5 connectors in 1 adapter cable that works with a variety of solar generators, including popular models like Jackery and Ecoflow. The panel's auto-detection function ensures trouble-free reconnection, allowing it to resume charging quickly after any interruptions due to sunlight fluctuations. Lightweight and portable, this solar panel is designed with easy-to-grip handles and a storage case, making it a convenient companion for camping or RV trips.